Okay, here we have an absolutely stunning 1968 Pontiac GTO. And let's get this out of the way right away. Yes, it is a real 242 code GTO. This is not a clone. Real 242 code in the VIN. Excuse me. Obviously painted in the carousel red, black vinyl top. This car came from a customer of ours that brought it in and wants to let someone else have some fun with it. So it is here and for sale. Someone's going to get a nice car. He found the car in Texas, and it shows underneath too. There will be still pictures of the underside of this car, as well as interior, under the hood, and everything on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see all those, but again, very, very, very solid car that came to us just the way you see it. Again, if you look down the sides there, you can see, pay attention to the reflections. You'll see how nice and straight the body panels are. The paint is very, very nice on this car as well. Now, the best part, in my opinion anyway, is this car is powered by a built 455 V8. Now, obviously that is not a numbers matching motor, but boy, this car hauls the mail, sounds good, runs good, truly amazing. We'll get under the hood here in a little bit and I'll show you a little more details. Bucket seat car with console, and also the Hurst dual gate shifter. Go look at the gauges here. Odometer reads 57,000. I did notice when we drove this car, the speedometer does read fast. Just so you know. Interior, again, as you can see, extremely clean, very nice. There's the headliners all up and good. There's no weird odors or foul smells or anything like that in this car either. The vinyl top is nice and smooth. No cracking, no lifting or peeling. Specifically on these cars, you always got to watch down here where I'm showing you right now, where for bubbling or rusting. This car has none of that. As you can see, very nice vinyl top. Okay. You might also notice this car does have the Endura bumper on it. If you look at the still photos, there's a couple of spots where the paint might have a couple of cracks in it here or there on that Endura bumper, but still all there and complete. All right, we'll fire it up here. That's the best part, right? And then I'll get the hood opened after that. All right, see those aftermarket gauges down here. Good oil pressure, as you can see there. I'm going to pause this. We'll get the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, again, under the hood, as I mentioned, is a slightly built up 455 Pontiac V8. Car does have power steering, so get in and drive with ease. Now, this car originally was a factory air-conditioned car. You can see the box is still on the firewall. However, the compressor, somewhere in this car's life, the compressor was taken off the car, and we do not have that now. But it was a factory AC car. Gonna look there. Go around back, let you take a listen. Awesome sound. This car runs and drives awesome, by the way. Doesn't miss a beat. I can show you the reach inside and turn the headlights on so you can see that the hideaway doors do work as well. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, financing is available, and you can also get an extended warranty on this car to protect your new purchase.